Want your Dropbox files available on your computer, phone, and other devices. In this guide, I'll show you how Dropbox syncing works, how to set it up, and how to check that your files are syncing correctly. Let's jump in. First, make sure you're signed in to the same Dropbox account on every device you want to sync. Your account is what connects your files across those devices, so using different accounts can cause confusion. On a Windows or Mac computer, install the Dropbox desktop application and sign in. After setup, Dropbox creates a folder on your computer that can sync with your online account. Give the app a moment to finish its initial setup. Now, place a test file inside your Dropbox folder. Dropbox will upload the file to your account and then make it available on your other connected devices. You can use documents, photos, or another small file for this test. Watch the Dropbox icon or file status while the upload is happening. When syncing is complete, the file should show a completed or up-to-date status. If it hasn't finished yet, keep Dropbox running and allow the connection to complete. On your phone or tablet, install the official Dropbox app and sign in with the same account. Open the app and browse to the folder where you placed the test file. You should now be able to access the same content. To test two-way syncing, make a simple change to a file or add another file from one device, then check Dropbox on another connected device. Depending on the file and your settings, the update should appear after synchronization finishes. If some folders aren't appearing on your computer, check your Dropbox sync settings. Features such as selective sync can control which folders are stored locally, so make sure the folders you need are selected for your device, and that's how you sync Dropbox across your devices. Use the same account, install Dropbox where needed, keep your files inside the Dropbox folder, and give syncing time to finish. Once it's set up, your files can follow you wherever you work.